Welcome! Today I will be making a resin bookmark and I want to draw it in the layers, so I will be pouring 2 layers in total to make the bookmark. For the first layer, I'm using clear epoxy resin. I have already measured and mixed my resin and I am pouring just a thin layer. I want to make sure that I have an even layer coating the surface of the mold. I will leave this to cure for 24 hours. The resin has cured to a nice smooth finish, so now I am able to draw on it. I am using acrylic markers to draw on the resin. I have already tested these out and the paint does not react to the resin when it's curing, so the image does not get damaged when used between resin layers. The marker paint has dried and I have prepared some clear resin. I am dividing it into 2 mixing cups as I want to create 2 colors for the final layer. I want to make a blue and purple background. For the blue mixture, I am using Sky Alcohol ink and Glitter Silver Blue resin pigment. For the purple mix, I am using Violet Alcohol ink and Lilac Glitter pigment. A list of all craft supplies used will be in a blog post linked in the description below. I will leave the resin to cure for 24 hours. The resin has fully cured. Let's see how the bookmark turned out. I love it. I will be using this bookmark all throughout spring. I really enjoy matching my bookmarks to the current season. Do you also do the same? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know if it's just me or not. Thank you for joining me for this project. I hope you enjoyed watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.